Hello students, coming to our topic biotechnology principles and processes. Today in this topic we are going to discuss next point, separation and isolation of DNA fragments. We know that the cutting of DNA fragments is carried out by restriction endonuclease enzyme that results in the formation of fragments of DNA. और ये जो fragments है DNA के, they are isolated and separated by the technique known as agarogel electrophoresis. Why it is called as agarogel electrophoresis? Because agarose is used as a medium or matrix to carry out the process of electrophoresis. DNA fragment जो है negatively charged molecules होते हैं, they can be separated by forcing them to move towards the anode under an electric field through a medium or matrix. और commonly used matrix जो है that is agarose, which is a natural polymer extracted from the seaweeds. So what is the principle of this agarogel electrophoresis? The DNA fragments separate according to their size through sieving effect provided by the agarogel. Agarogel का sieving effect होता है due to the presence of pores. And that's why the smaller fragment they move fast through these pores of agarogel, whereas larger fragment they move slow. So your MCQ in NEET examination question can be asked, the technique by which DNA fragments are separated and isolated is, at that time your answer should be agarogel electrophoresis. Another MCQ, the DNA fragments are separated in gel electrophoresis according to their option may be size, density, weight. At that time your answer should be size. Separated DNA fragment जो है visible light में और without staining cannot be observed, and to observe the separated DNA bands they are first stained with a compound ethidium bromide and then exposed to UV radiation. Then we can observe the bright orange colored bands of DNA in a ethidium bromide stained gel exposed to UV light. Here is PYQ. In gel electrophoresis, separated DNA fragments can be visualized with the help of, at that time, her answer is ethidium bromide exposed to UV radiation. Now the separated DNA bands are cut out from the agarogel and extracted from the gel piece. This step is known as elution. In NEET examination question can be asked, the step in which the bands of DNA are cut out from the agarogel and extracted from the gel piece is known as, at that time your answer should be elution. Like such way, by using agarogel electrophoresis we can obtain the purified fragments of DNA which are joined with cloning vectors to form the recombinant DNA molecule. Here see the diagram showing the process of agarogel electrophoresis. You can see the 4 wells. In first well, undigested DNA sample is added. In second, third and fourth well, digested sample of DNA is added. So here DNA fragments, they are negatively charged and they are allowed to move towards anode under an electric field through the matrix or medium that is agarogel. ये जो agarogel है ये porous nature का होता है and it provide the sieving effect, and due to which DNA fragments get separated. So these DNA fragments they get separated according to their size. Smaller fragment they move fast, whereas largest fragment they move slow. So after complete separation, the DNA fragments they are stained with ethidium bromide and exposed to UV radiation, and you can observe the bright orange colored bands of DNA.